talking to your customers about container gardening, remember, it's not just about the plants. You heard me correctly. Let's talk about a few non-plant related items that play a huge role in container gardening success. First, consider the type of container. One of the most important things to get right when growing plants in containers is making sure water can drain freely out of the bottom of the pot. This ensures plants don't rot if they get too much water. Most containers come with a drainage hole in the bottom, but if there isn't one, a hole can be easily added. Small containers are great for little plants kept indoors, but aren't as convenient to use outdoors. That's because they dry out too quickly when the plants are exposed to sunshine and wind outside. It's better to use 12-inch or larger containers that hold more soil and won't dry out so fast. This is especially true when hanging baskets are in a sunny, exposed location. And when all else fails, suggest our self-watering aquapots. Next, the type of medium matters. You can find all sorts of ideas online for things to fill the bottom of a large container. We've seen suggestions for everything from old shoes to pot shards and rocks. None of it is good for your plants. Plants need soil to grow. When a container is 6 or 16 inches deep, it should be filled all the way with potting soil. Any filler material in the bottom of the container will inhibit drainage and cause water to pool in the bottom, eventually leading to rotting roots and very heavy pots. Good quality potting soil is lightweight and drains freely, which is exactly what plants need to thrive. It can be confusing when customers are shopping for soil when all the bags look alike. Look for those clearly marked potting soil on the front of the bag. The bag should be relatively lightweight compared to soil. High-quality potting soil doesn't actually contain soil at all. Instead, it is a mix of things like peat moss, perlite, and bark, which provide nutrients and good airflow and drainage for your containerized plants. Finally, fertilizer. It's critical to plant health and success. This is a big topic, so if you'd like more information on fertilizer tips to share with your customers, check out our fertilizer track on Proven Winners University.